I am Steve Alter, and this is a 3-minute presentation about my presentation for the ER Forum. And it's about extending a work system metamodel using a knowledge graph to support IS visualization and development. And it's based on 5 assumptions. The first assumption is that information systems, projects, service systems, and other kinds of systems are all work systems, which can be summarized using the work system framework. In essence, that's a meta model for describing any work system, because you can identify the participants, the technologies, the processes and activities, and so on. The second assumption is that there's a great deal of knowledge that might be relevant, and these are the forms of knowledge. There are concepts, there's data, there's interpretations, there are generalizations, and there are methods. Each of those has many types. The ideas that are useful for helping people analyze and design systems are of those types. The third assumption is that the elements of the work system framework have facets. For instance, if you look at processes and activities, those facets include making decisions, communicating, processing information, and so on. What that says is that the knowledge that's related to information systems and to work systems more generally is often attached to those facets of the various parts of a work system. The fourth assumption is that it's possible to gather ideas related to every part of a work system and every facet. For example, scalability is a kind of characteristic that's related to work systems in general. Accuracy is a kind of performance variable that's related to information. Do the work efficiently is a design principle that's related to processes and activities. Coordination theory is a kind of theory that's related to coordinating, which is a facet of work systems. Even if you had incomplete knowledge about work systems, that incomplete knowledge could be useful if it were put together in a way that could be accessed easily. The last assumption is that it should be possible to combine that general information with specific information about a particular work system that's being analyzed. So this diagram says on the lower left, there's a description of a work system that's summarized in a particular way. And there's the general knowledge about work systems, and they should be linked. And the knowledge graph is the means of linking that information. So I hope you will find this interesting. It's all written up in substantial detail in the paper that I wrote.